Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel on a glorious Saturday morning. And what a change in the weather. We've had weeks upon weeks of horrendous storms, and I'm here at Abbotsbury today. It's about 9:30 in the morning with Chris as usual, and my brother's across visiting from America, which is lovely. So he's joined us, and for once the sea is lovely and calm. Look at that, with a really dirty brown colour after all the onshore winds we've had. And we're out for a day, hopefully for a cod or two, but basically just to enjoy ourselves after periods of inactivity. We've been to Abbotsbury angling. We've got some fresh black lug, some squid, we've got some dug Bristol Channel lug, and we've got some mackerel as well, just in case. And we've got a 11:30 low today, high about 6 this evening, and currently a sort of a northerly wind, which is lovely. It's going to aid the casting, although I'm not sure you need to cast too far today. And we'll be doing our usuals, I think, just pulley rigs at various ranges. Oh, it's just nice to be out on Chesil again. It's been a while. Right, well, I'm going to get set up because I'm eager to get going. I have a horrible feeling it could be Dogfish City today, with hopefully the odd cod thrown in, but we'll never know. We'll find out. I'll join you shortly. Right, all set to go. Very simple, there we go. 6-ounce gripper, single fresh black lug, tip of squid, pennel, bait stop. Let's get him out there. Oh, it looks lovely. Look at that. Ooh, that's alright. Oh, there you go, first fish. Looks like Chris has got a whiting, I would say. Is that a whiting? Let's go and have a look at it. It's only been out a minute. Whiting? Any size? Yeah. I think there's going to be a lot of those today. Definitely something on that left-hand rod there. So I've got fresh black on the right, and I've got a whole squid on the left. Yeah, I've just had on that whole squid I just put out. I don't think it's anything substantial. Hasn't really moved the lead. Well, I can't seem to. Oh no, that's better. I just think using worm on one and something else on the other probably gives you a better chance. Hey! Well done, bro. I just unhook him here and pop him back. Just unhook him here and drop him back in.
Too big for bait then, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, you want them about half that size for bait. So just unhook him and pop him back. All right. Yeah, it is. We're sort of dead on low water now, and I think we intend to fish up to high and a few hours into darkness, but not overly late. But considering the recent weather, this is magnificent. Oh, that was a big clump of weed, I think. Might be a fish with it, but I doubt it. Oh, there we go. First dogfish of the day. Tiny little thing. That's a better size.
Yeah.
No, the weather's fantastic, isn't it?
Although I think that is coming a little bit earlier than the forecast.
Yeah, it's switched from sort of northerly to southwesterly, hasn't it?
Southwesterly now, and it's going to go southeasterly before it rains.
So what's that? 6 dogfish and about a dozen whiting.
Yeah.
In about 2 hours.
And some pout.
And some pout.
In fact, yeah, every hook has had a fish.
Yes, it's pretty well a biter cast, isn't it? It's just a case of getting through them and hoping that the next one's a codling, isn't it?
That's right.
It's just a numbers game.
But there may be too many outnumbering the codling.
Well, I wouldn't be surprised though when it gets dark that a few eels, decent eels, come in as well.
And hopefully a lot of big whiting too.
Yeah.
Fish pie.
Or whiting fish fingers.
Whiting fish fingers, yeah.
A pout for a change. Makes a change from whiting and dogfish, I guess. You just want that nod on the rod, don't you, when it's a cod, but so annoying. An enthusiastic pout. There you go, mate. Yeah, you can deal with that.
Well, that makes a change from
Yeah, it makes a
whiting
change.
and dogfish.
Exactly. Something different, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. I wasn't watching. That feels fairly substantial. I would say. Yeah, it's an eel. Ah, it just felt like it on the way in.
Yeah. Looked like it as soon as you hit it.
Yeah, and just had that look to it, didn't it?
Right side.
You bugger.
He says.
There are tens of thousands of fish out there today. Just not the ones we want.
No, we haven't had one of a species that we might like.
No, no.
Not one.
Like that one.
Oh, it's a bigger dog.
Yeah.
Lovely things.
15 dogfish, yeah.
Not as many as I thought.
Probably the biggest so far. Like that whole squid. Right, 3:30. I've actually lost count of the number of dogfish and whiting and pout. I think the dogfish must be getting on for 20 now. We just got to wade through them and hope that the cod come on the feed at some stage. We put out a fresh worm bait and it's pout or whiting, and put out a fish bait or squid and it's dogfish or eels. Hey ho, it's a lovely day and we're catching fish, so we shouldn't be too disappointed. Well, darkness is rapidly approaching, and more of the same since you were last here, really. Dogfish, pout, whiting, eels, 4 species, that's it. I say we'll give it at least 2 or 3 hours into darkness, I think. The beauty of this time of year, of course, is that darkness comes relatively early, so we won't be home too late, whatever we decide to do. I just think that there are just so many nuisance species out there that they just get to the baits before the cod get a chance to. But of course, as you know, cod can switch on at any moment, a certain state of the tide. So, remaining optimistic-ish. You beauty. Oh no, what is it? That's a proper whiting, that is. Look at that. Yeah, thought that was a codling for a minute. Yeah, much better. Oops. Yeah, that's a definite keeper. Oh yeah, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, no, he's not too bad, is he? Better than a conger, definitely. Well done, group. And so Well, as you can see, we're well into darkness now, and unfortunately it's just more of the same. Pout, whiting, smallish, dogs, the odd eel. It's a shame really. In some ways the water's almost too coloured and it just brings all the nuisance fish in. And the cod just can't get a look in. Just met David Mordecai, Wayne Hand, Jem Stapleton and another lady whose name I didn't catch, who've been fishing about a quarter of a mile further down the beach, and they've had exactly the same as us. No cod, just what we've been catching, so I don't feel quite so bad. So we've been doing something drastically wrong. Anyway, we're going to give it another 10 or 15 minutes I think, and then call it a day. So I'll just say thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Sorry about the lack of any decent fish, but we'll see you again soon on the channel. Cheers everybody.